Thursday, August 26th at 9:30, Able Auctions will be hosting a live online auction of an engine shop. Let's go inside and see what's here. We're also selling this dragon boat trailer. It's a nice flat deck trailer that's been converted so that you can haul dragon boats, multiple dragon boats. It's got a winch system to lift them in there. It's very cool. Let's go in the shop and see what's in. Lots of tools, a Makita chop saw. There's a nice CMB wheel balancer here. Amco brake lathe. Lots of tooling on it. Nice little shop press. Some nice work tables, if you need some work tables. Lifting jigs. Tap and die sets, part spins. These big oil storage workbenches with bench faces on them and limiting guns. Lots more engine parts here. Got testers, micrometers. Here's a nice porta power. There's a beautiful Hydrolift 4-post car hoist. Got the nice beds with the space savers in the middle. Lots of diagnostic tools here. Snap-on. Nice little bore scope. Lots of good stuff. Here's the 2-post 4-point hoist. It's a nice bend. Parts washers, cherry pickers, jack stands, little Mitsubishi generator. Everything you want to have a nice little engine shop. Start it up. Lots of quick way products. Diamond cutter. Here's a beautiful head shop. It's got the foot pedal and everything there. Got the flywheel grinder with its own toolbox with tooling. Nice quick way surface grinder, resurfacer. Everything you're gonna need. So the auction is Thursday, August 26th at 9:30. Preview will be Wednesday, August 25th from 10 to 4, and that's at 8050 Atchelitz Rd in Chilliwack. Come on down and hopefully you can get a deal. Check it out. Go bid online. See you there.